Hi, welcome back to the final section of the Exploring ECMAScript 2017 course, and in this section we will focus primarily on additional resources for exploring ECMAScript 2017 and what's in store for ECMAScript 2018. In this only video of this section, we start with the additional references from where we can know more about the features of ECMAScript 2017. We will then jump onto some of the new features in ECMAScript 2018 and have a quick list of things that are in store for ECMAScript 2018. Every feature in ECMAScript has a good coverage of documentation and in-depth explanation of the feature with examples in the TC39 GitHub page. Here are some of the examples of the feature and its documentation examples. When we look at the documentation of the array prototype feature, you should see the status of the feature, what was the motivation behind the features being included, as well as explanations of the proposed solution. The FAQ section provides additional details about the feature as well. The Exponential Operator page, on the other hand, shows the status, the authors and the reviewers who were involved with this particular feature. It then provides more information on the feature. Similarly, the shared memory feature provides a more detailed explanation of the shared memory with an in-depth explanation and examples of the feature. Here are the list of some of the features that would be made available in ECMAScript 2018. It starts off with two major features covering the asynchronous iteration and the rest or spread properties. Then there are a set of regular expression related features that covers regular expression name capture groups, Unicode property escapes, and look behind assertions. Finally, two new features that includes the promise prototype finally and the template literal revision. The first of this feature is the object rest spread feature. When destructing an object, the object rest allows you to collect remaining properties of an object into a new object. You can use rest to extract only properties you want. In simple terms, you can remove unwanted items. The spread properties looks like the rest properties with 3 dots, but difference is that you use spread to create new objects. The asynchronous iterations, on the other hand, is used to get asynchronous iterators and asynchronous iterables. Asynchronous iterators, just like the regular iterators, except includes the next method which returns a promise for a key value pair. The promise prototype finally feature does the old promise implementation, allowing you to register a callback to the invoked when a promise is settled. The look behind assertion is an enhancement to the regex that allows us to ensure some string exists immediately before some other string. Finally, the regex Unicode property escapes does solve some real-world problem related to the Unicode characters. It was not easy to write regex to match various Unicode characters. Things like /w, /d, etc. only match English characters and numbers, but what about other numbers in different languages? That's where the Unicode property escape comes in handy. It turns out the Unicode adds metadata properties for each symbol and it uses it to group or characterize various symbols. Starting with ECMAScript 2018, we can overcome these with the regular expression Unicode property escapes. In this video, we looked at the ECMAScript 2017 additional references to some of the features of ECMAScript 2017. We then briefly looked at the ECMAScript 2018 features list, covering what's in store for the next version of ECMAScript.